everyone, it's Kate Weather here. Today we talk about the severe weather that's going to be going on today. Possible severe weather outbreak. It's a possible severe weather outbreak. It's going to be going on today because we have three areas of slight risk that we're going to be talking about, and one big area of an enhanced risk. Very widespread enhanced risk, actually. So definitely need to be weather aware today. I'm going to be showing you the risk, all the risk, tornado risk, everything coming up in today's video. And I'll also show you the future radar coming up in today's video so you know exactly when the storms will hit your area. So stay tuned to today's video. But starting off, let's start off with our enhanced risk. So what we're looking at right now is the SPC outlook for today. We're doing enhanced risk in parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, and Nebraska here. Again, wind gusts to the max of 80 miles per hour possible in this area here. You definitely want to be weather aware today. Make sure everybody get those alerts. Do have a tornado risk, which I'll show you coming up really soon. We also have a slight risk surrounding that. We have three slight risk areas that we're looking at here. One of them is right here, and we have another bubble of them right here, which definitely includes just a little bit of Oklahoma there. And we have another slight risk over here in parts of the northeast, and just a little bit of Connecticut right there, a little bit of Rhode Island. But yes, that's what it includes right there. But yes, definitely see some storms today. I did hear some thunder out my window today. So yes, definitely gonna be see some storms in different areas. But yes, that is the enhancers. Before I get any further into severe weather, I would ask that you do subscribe and leave a like if you like weather-related videos, and make sure to comment down below if you have any weather questions and shows any friends that might live in the enhanced risk area or any other severe weather risk area. But let's go and take a look here at our tornado risk, which is very, very important here, because definitely could be a big tornado event here. Definitely have a pretty big, widespread area of a tornado risk here in parts of South Dakota and Nebraska there. Again, it's a 5% tornado risk, so definitely could see some tornadoes. We have a 2% tornado risk right here in parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, and a little bit of Montana there. And we have a 5% again over here in parts of the Northeast, just where that slight risk was over there, and a 2% just a little bit surrounding that. So definitely have two areas. Definitely have 5% tornado risk. Definitely could see a tornado warning. Probably will today and tonight. But let's go and take a look here at our hail threat, which is definitely a big concern today. Hail threat is definitely a big concern. As you can see right here, we do have a 30% chance of a hail threat. This is a big concern here of our hail threat. We also, surrounding that, we have a 15% hail threat here. Definitely parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Montana, all those areas. We have a little bubble right here of a hail threat in Oklahoma there. Otherwise, I don't see any other areas here that are in that. But again, 30% hail threat in the North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska. Let's go and take a look here at our wind threat. Definitely big wind threat here. A little bit more areas, but just look at this 30% wind threat here. For parts, this you see this shaded area there. You see these yellow shaded areas here. Those are our 15% risks. And you see these green shaded areas, three areas here. Those are our 5% risks. So one right here in parts of um, Michigan, you see that green shaded area, and another one in the northeast. But yes, that is our wind threat. So let me just go ahead and show you our future radar. So I'm going to time this out for both of these areas here. So let's start off, starting off in the, so we're already starting to see some showers this morning, but we're going to take this a little bit further and talk about another round of showers that's going to be going on later today. So this is about 1 o'clock today. Start to see some showers start to pop up right there in parts of Kansas. And if we time this out, it's still a little bitty storm, but it's still really strong. Parts of Oklahoma, it's about 5 o'clock here, and then that's out. But then look what happens as you get to about this is about 9 o'clock tonight. No, this is about 11 o'clock. Sorry, you do see lots of storms here, and you can see it. You can definitely see it going up further than this map shows right here. Definitely see those storms start to pop up here, and then they start to move south, and they're definitely really strong in Nebraska and Iowa at this point. This is about 2 a.m. here. Again, another overnight situation. It's going to be all day and all night. We're going to be seeing storms in lots of different areas here. Definitely see us start to move there at about 2 a.m. And we time this out a little bit further. Then we start to see them still sticking around about 12 a.m. No, this is about 12 p.m. the next day. Definitely see some storms there, but that is a long time, so guess what starts to happen after that? They move out of the area and it calms down. So that's that. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at our surface-based cape. Just one more thing that we're going to look at here. Surface-based cape, it indicates the amount of energy for severe weather there can be. So let's time this out for you guys. So starting off right here, let's wait for this to load up here. And so definitely this is about, let's say I see the worst of it around 8 o'clock tonight. So yes, definitely overnight situation here. Definitely see a lot of cape values here for parts of these states here. Definitely indicate some severe weather possible in those areas. And then we definitely just compare this to another day. Again, we do see some really strong storms. We do have a risk for severe weather, so that this is why it's big down here. But notice the difference around here. Definitely way smaller during a normal basis there. So yes, that is our cape values. Definitely, let's take a look at some of these cape values in more detail here. So definitely you see some really high cape values. Wow, yeah, that's really high cape values. Um, Definitely could see some big cape here. Definitely the energy for severe weather. Now let's just take it to another place here and take a look at the northeast here. This is about 1 a.m. 1 p.m. Sorry. Yeah, this is about 1 a.m. We already passed this mark, so let's take it to about 1 p.m. 1 p.m. here in the northeast. We do see some showers and thunderstorms starting to pop up in Delaware and going up to New Jersey there. And then, times out a little bit further, it's in New Jersey. This is why we have that slight risk up there for severe weather. Definitely see some really strong storms right here in New Jersey and in Connecticut, all the northeast states. And then it starts to go into New York and it starts to go out of the northeast. Now let's take a look at one more thing here, the cape values for the northeast. So definitely probably going to see some really high cape values. I'm not going to think they're going to be such as high cape values for the northeast, but I don't know yet. I haven't looked at this. So let's take a look here. So starting out, this is about, we already passed this mark. So let's go about 1 o'clock. Yeah, definitely look how much smaller it is. There's still some cape values here, but definitely smaller cape values. But way smaller cape values, but you definitely do see some cape values here, but definitely smaller. So not as much energy for severe weather in the northeast for that day, but that doesn't mean we won't see any storms. But yes, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. So yes, definitely a 5% tornado risk today and enhanced risk. Definitely be weather aware and stay safe. Just a quick look at tomorrow's threat. I should have a video update on this tomorrow. I don't know if I will, but I should have a video update on this rather tomorrow. And there's a quick look at the slight risk and everything else about it. I will have an update on that tomorrow. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you like weather-related videos, I hope this video was helpful. Share this with any friends that might be in the path of any of the severe weather. Leave a like, comment down below if you have any questions about the weather. I should be able to answer them. See that red subscribe button right there? Click on that to subscribe. Leave a like, subscribe, stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!